Did you know there are some candles that you can burn it and as well as eat it? Yes, you heard that right. There are some candles that you can burn it and eat it at the same time. Hello everyone. حالتون چطوره? It means how are you in Farsi language. My name is Rosina and welcome to this channel. Edible candle, I mean butter that lights up your dining table, is a new way to make butter and enjoy it. Imagine in your next party you start eat a candle. Guests and people around you will think you are crazy because you are eating a candle, but you would tell them it's not a candle, it's a butter. Join me in this episode and let me show you how to make a gorgeous and edible candles. So let's get started. Please pick up your free ebook that I have left just for you with 5 delicious rice recipes that will help you with cooking. I put a link in the description box and you can get it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you would like to grow your Persian style cooking with video, don't forget click subscribe and bell icon, and let's do this together. Thank you very much for joining us today. Please share this video with your friends. It's not difficult for you. You guys have a beautiful time and see you in next one. Bye.